So now the only question left is, who do you trust with your money? The platform that blew a gasket right after announcing the transition from Tradeovate, or the one that's quietly sipping tea and racking up rebound flings like it's hot trader summer? Because make no mistake, this isn't just about features, uptime, or slick ads. This is about reputation. And in a market that runs on confidence, once yours is shaken, good luck getting it back. Traders don't forget, they don't forgive, and they definitely don't sit around hoping your next hiccup doesn't land during NFP. Top Step may still be telling everyone they upgraded, but to the rest of us, it's starting to look a lot like they just moved into a fixer-upper and forgot to check if the plumbing worked.